One day, Emma, a young woman living in a small town, found a strange envelope in her mailbox. It had her name on it but no return address. Curious, she opened it. Inside was a piece of paper with just one sentence: "Your kindness will be rewarded." Emma was confused but smiled. She thought, maybe it's just a prank. That day, she went about her routine, buying groceries, walking to the park, and saying hello to her neighbors. Emma was always friendly, even to strangers. Later that afternoon, Emma noticed an older man struggling to cross the street with heavy bags. She rushed over and said, "Let me help you." The man smiled warmly and said, "Thank you, young lady. You have a kind heart." As she helped him, she noticed he had dropped a small pouch. "Excuse me," Emma called out, handing it back. He chuckled, "I almost lost my treasure. You are truly kind." Inside the pouch was a shiny gold coin. The man pressed it into Emma's hand and said, "This is for you." Before Emma could refuse, he had disappeared into the crowd. Back at home, Emma looked at the coin and thought about the letter. Was it a coincidence? She realized something important: acts of kindness often bring unexpected rewards, not always gold, but happiness and connection. Today's vocabulary: kindness, being good and caring toward others. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Coincidence, something unexpected that seems connected by chance.